Hello friends, my name is Prakash Sunar. In this video, we are going to learn how to use table tag in a table, that is table within table concept. Let's create one table. Give a border, then tr, let's copy paste this. I'm going to create 3 by 3 table. Close this tr, just close table. Save this one. After creating this, execute. This is the simple output. Let's give a width 100%, cell spacing and cell padding is equal to 10, cell is equal to 10. Now check output. Now this is our table. Now copy this row, paste here, and one more row. I have created 3 rows here. Now just these are the 3 rows. Now let's use call span and give here. I have removed these 2 cells and give a call span is equal to 3, and let's take an output. Okay, see what happened? There is certain problem. This is table, this is what another, call span, so it's okay then, table within table. Now one more thing, I want to put another table. Just remove this 2 and I want a table here. In this cell I'm going to define another table. First take output. Now this is one more cell. I want a table here, table, then do a border to 1, and in this table I want 5 cells. So just these are the 3 cells. These are the 3 cells, and put 2 more here. Now just check out. Now these are the 5 cells. So I want this call span and row span. So I want cell spacing and cell padding. So just give a cell padding. Padding is equal to 10. Cell padding and give a width is equal to 100%. I am giving width 100%, so it will display. Just check out what happened. Sorry, I have given width here, so it should be on a table. This is our table. Now remove your cell spacing. Cell spacing here is a, so just give small cell spacing, so it will go. Now this is a table, and this is another table where you can put different images. Let's put images here, small images. I have saved this here on E drive. So just go to E drive. Is there any images? Yes, there are images in image gallery. Sorry, so just take a image, channel.jpg. So copy this channel.jpg and just put here .jpg, and let's take an output. So it's very big image. I want it only image your height and width. And width is equal to 50. So this is what image. So give 150 and 150, and these are how many cells? These are 5. So just give a width. Is a width is equal to 20% for each ED. Let's check. This is 20%. Same thing. Just copy 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way you have created table in table. These are the 5 images. You can use this code to create image gallery. You can put an anchor tag. Take an example here. Just here, just give an anchor tag a letter ef is equal to, and close that anchor tag a here, and put image URL. Just save and run this. You will find image. After clicking, it will open that image on a new tab. Similarly, put your content in a bottom cells here. Just I will put here in this way. I have created a tutorial table within table concept. Just let's take output. Here is what you can give width for this. Width is equal to 30%, so that other cell will be displayed properly. In this way you can put a text here. This is a simple table within table concept. If you like my channel, please share it, subscribe it. If you want to watch my more videos, you must subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.